Good evening, everyone. Today, the market was on a lower side, and looking at the current situation regarding the Canada issue, it seems like this issue is not going to get resolved very soon, and because of that, there is a lot of volatility. And for a few hours, the market was on the upper level in the beginning, and while closing for this week, the market went down, and this has been the biggest correction for last 7 months. And the current situation, the pharma sector was down today, the financials were down, the IT was probably in green, and power finance companies, power sector related stocks were in positive, because there is a demand for power sector. And for the entire week, the market is down quite a bit, from a high of 20,200 levels to 19,700. So it's approximately 500 points down for the Nifty. And for the Bank Nifty, it is from 46,200 levels to 44,600 level now. So it is approximately 1600 points down from the high level. So what I can suggest is this time is you can continue to buy in a staggered manner, in very small quantities for every stock, whatever stock you want, and just average out the stocks, whichever stocks you're buying, just average out. And there is a lot of demand for power sector stocks, and also the dividend yield stocks. So whichever companies are giving dividend, that are in focus. Even if you check Bank of Maharashtra, which was trading at around about 20-25 levels, it has moved to 47 rupees. And there was a new stock which I was looking today, that was PNB Guilds. That was around 10% higher. I've not seen that in the later part of the day, but in the morning it was 10-15% up. PNB Guilds, that has a dividend yield of 5%, approximately 5%. So that stock was also quite good, and but that is trading at around 75 levels. And another stock I would suggest, it's my suggestion, it's completely up to you whether you want to buy or not, but it is just look into Hindustan Zinc. Hindustan Zinc is trading at around 314 levels. So if you look at the dividend yield, it has 24% dividend yield. So even at 10% or 10-12% in dividend yield, that is a quite a good amount of dividend yield, even if they not give the same dividend last year. So that stock is quite a good stock to look at. And so now for next week, it seems that next week we will have sideways to negative kind of market, as per my assumptions, looking at the options data, looking at the overall open interest and all. It's my assumption that it will be on the lower side, as there is an expiry for the month. So Nifty, Bank Nifty and all stocks, it's an expiry for the September month. And once that is done, then we will come to know about the next month's trend. And looking at next month, there are quite a few companies which are declaring their results, like Infosys is declaring on 12th of October. HCL Technologies is declaring on same 12th of October. Asian Paints, then Coforge, all these companies are declaring their results in the next month. So probably we will see somewhere the bottom over here, and around about 19,500 levels we can see the bottom, and from there we can start again moving at the high levels as per my assumptions. And we can watch for the stocks, as it's a seasonal, it's quarterly results season, plus the Diwali season. So we might see a lot of movements in stocks. So please do watch all these things, and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for listening. Thank you. Goodbye.